What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We right now are at the Otford Farm and we're going for a ride on the dark horse. But this all started when somebody rocked up at my house one morning and woke me up. Kenny, it's flying. Kenny! Kenny! So Krisgem has come over and basically told me to get ready. We're going somewhere. So, see, it's going to be a Team Blocker adventure.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Alright guys, we just got in the dark horse ready. The plate, I'm going to uncover it. I was going to wait till we put like a stage 3 kit on this bike and make it more beast to uncover the plate, but you know what? Fuck it. Let's do it. Atimo. So that is the Hellenic word for rogue. When you refer it to the horse, it's basically a horse that is wild, it can't be tamed. A horse that has gone rogue. The dark horse. So I knew we were going to Helensburgh, but Krisgem only told me now that she booked in the Otford Farm for a horse ride.
Whoa! Look at this place, look where it is! There's all rainforest all around you. We're gonna go for a horse ride through this. Oh, it's gonna be fucking sick!
So that side? This is the place, guys. Made it. The Otford Farm, guys. Check it out. Horses everywhere. Look at the atmosphere here. As soon as you rock up here, you get excited straight away. I'm all excited. I can't wait. This is going to be sick.
You ready to go, Bloka?
Fuck yeah.
Let's go. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm excited, man. Look at this. Look at the horses, the stables.
You needed to get it out of your system, Bloka.
I love these animals, and you guys know just from the channel how much I love horses, so check it out, check it out. Krisgem's getting on the horse. Guys, the Otford Farm trail ride through the rainforest is just amazing, man. The horses are pretty tame. They're easy to ride. They listen. Sometimes they get a little bit stubborn, but that's all right. It's all part of the experience. So guys, the dark horse has been assigned to us. The dark horse that I was riding, her name was Betty, and what an amazing animal, eh? I love horses. Crossing the creeks is, you just hear the water splashing. It really puts you in a different world, eh? You come to a stretch that's a bit of a straight, and you get to gallop a little bit with the horse if you want to. If you're pretty comfortable with that, it's just great, eh? The experience is top notch. If you've never done this before, I highly recommend you come down here and just give it a try. You go, you follow the path, there's uphills, there's downhills, all the scenery changes around every bend. It becomes something new. Some of the tree branches are pretty low, so you got to watch your head a little bit. You got to duck through them if the horse goes too close to it, but it's all good fun. So you can do a 1 hour rainforest ride. You can do a 2 hour ride to the waterfall, which is Kelly's Falls. You can also do a private ride, which is what we did today, and that was great. We had to do a private ride because it allowed us to get some of the footage that otherwise we couldn't have got in a group ride. So look at the views from up here, and you can see the ocean out there. Yeah. So that's the stream that comes to Kelly's Falls, and this is it. But I'd like to see what's on the other side. See, if we had Kenny now, straight out there, we would have had a mad shot. But just unlucky. Also, Krisgem's wearing the shirt, and as promised guys, the website is live. So you can go on there. It's not finished yet. Still have a couple of things to do, but it's functional. You can go on there and grab one of these shirts and support the channel. So in the next adventure, a promotion is going to come along. I'm not going to give it away yet, but it's going to be epic. Have a look at this stream. Guys, just get out of your comfort zone and go see a waterfall on horseback. You'll love it. You'll love it. The Otford Farm. Alright guys, Centennial Hotel, and look what we've gone for. A share plate, a mixed grill plate, and we'll get a couple of drinks. All the meals look pretty hearty, man, and I reckon it's going to be alright.
So we've just come back from the Otford Farm, the horse ride, and I couldn't say it. I was lost for words. I've been on many horse rides before, but this one was just the best. Bloka was amazed. He was happy. So it worked. The surprise worked. Waking Bloka up was the funniest. Getting him to come was like a challenge, and actually bringing him was the best sight I've ever seen. Anyway, stay tuned. He's coming now. Oh wow! Look how big this plate is, man. That is huge.
Is that like, that's for two people? That's huge, man. That's plenty for two people. Alright guys, so we demolished most of it. I couldn't finish it all, but it was pretty good. The steak was fantastic. Chicken breast, I had to leave that piece, so I just can't fit anything else in. But have a look at this place guys. This is the outdoor area, and overall it's pretty nice, man. It's pretty good. The meals are hearty, like the plate is full of food. If you want a lot of food, you get your money's worth here. So That's alright, that gets a thumbs up, so. Alright, let's continue.
There's one more thing in Helensburgh that I've got to show you. It's the old railway station. And something next to it is worth checking out. And that's the old tunnel. Let's go have a look. I think it might be closed, but I want to show you guys where it is anyway, because if you're after Instagram shots, this place at the right time is where you're going to find it.
Alright guys, this is the old glowworm tunnel. The old railway station. So it doesn't look like it's open, but check it out. So it's actually closed because the tunnel's been flooded. There's a tunnel over there, and inside that tunnel is where you'll find the glowworms. So it does open. It's closed at the moment. We can't get in there, but we'll be back. Come at the right time and you can take photos of the glowworms. It just lights up that tunnel like little blue lights. You've probably seen photos on the internet. It'll make a real nice Instagram shot. So it's the old Helensburgh Station. We can't go any further here, so there's no point wasting more time. Let's go hit National Falls. We're going to chase another waterfall now on the way back, because we're in that waterfall chasing mood. We didn't get to see Kelly Falls from the bottom, but hopefully National Falls. Actually, we're going to see it from the bottom. I'm going to make my way down there, and so we can get a stunning shot to end this episode.
Oh, this is it, guys. So from the waterfall entry, about 500 meters down from the toll gates, you'll come to this place here, National Falls. It's all gravel, so just be careful. Oh, this is shit. This is really shit. Just try and put it in a shady spot.
Guys, check this out. National Falls. I don't know how many times I've ridden past this place, but I mean, look, it's right here, and I've never actually taken the time to just stop and have a look. Wow, man, look at that. Not much water, but you can just see a bit of the fall from there. Everything's just dried up. This in wet weather will be just flowing, and I reckon it'll look spectacular. But let's see if we can get down here. Yeah, there must be a way to get down there. I think we're gonna have to find the trail. All right, so just next to it, look at this. We found some stairs that go down. It's pretty steep, but I think these are the stairs that's gonna take us to the bottom. Look at this view. Life moves pretty quick, guys. If you don't stop once in a while and be on a crash course with freedom to explore, discover and experience what this world has to offer, you could miss it.